How to do Cash App Linkable. And on the top right-hand side, we're going to see our profile photo. We're going to go ahead and tap right over here, and this is going to bring us up a whole new menu of options, and there's going to be a section down here that says Linked Banks. If we go ahead and tap on this option here, currently have a debit card on file, we can add a bank, and we can also add a credit card. So we're going to go ahead and click on Link Bank now. This is actually going to bring up a whole new menu with a company called Plaid that will allow you to connect your banks. Click Continue, and then search your bank. Click Continue to log in. Put your bank credentials. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click Authorize. Your bank account is successfully linked. That's it. Thanks for watching.